In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Notion template. Notion is a fantastic tool for organization, productivity, and project management. It allows you to leverage templates to streamline your work processes and save valuable time. So, if you're ready to dive in and learn this simple yet effective skill, let's get started. First, make your way to the Notion website by opening your preferred web browser. If you haven't yet signed up, you'll want to do so to gain access to all the great features Notion offers. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option labeled Get Notion Free. Click on this to begin the process. Notion offers a free plan that is quite robust, making it a great choice for individuals and small teams who want to explore its capabilities without any financial commitment. As you navigate through the sign-up process, you'll have the option to continue with Google. By clicking Continue with Google, you'll be able to seamlessly set up your account using your existing Google credentials. This is a time-saving option that ensures you don't have to remember yet another password while keeping your workflow within a familiar ecosystem. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to the marketplace. It's a treasure trove of templates created by users from around the world. These templates range from project trackers to personal or productivity dashboards. Clicking on Marketplace will take you to this collection where you can explore and find templates that cater to your specific needs. When you find a template that piques your interest, spend a moment reviewing its features and specifications to ensure it aligns with your goals. Once you're satisfied with your choice, go ahead and click on Add. This action will prepare the template for use in your Notion environment. Next, you'll be prompted to add to private or to a workspace. This decision will depend on your intended use. If the template is for personal organization, adding it to private is a great choice. Alternatively, if you're collaborating with a team, choosing a workspace makes it accessible to your colleagues, enhancing teamwork and productivity. After you've added the template to your chosen location, you'll want to click on the template to start exploring its features and customizing it to better fit your needs. And that's it. Importing a Notion template is as straightforward as that. Not only does it optimize your time, but it also provides a solid foundation upon which you can build and refine your projects. With this new skill under your belt, you're well equipped to customize your Notion experience and make the most out of this exceptional tool. Happy note-taking and organizing.